Hey, Drago here, and welcome back to the Next.js 14 series. In the last episode, we talked about using middleware to handle custom requests at the edge. Today, we're moving on to a super important topic in web development, metadata. Whether it's for SEO or performance optimization, metadata plays a crucial role in how search engines and users interact with your website. So let's head over to our existing project and run it in dev mode. So we're at the sign-in page, but if we read the tab name, it says Create Next App. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but obviously in a production application, in a sign-in page, you're not going to see the app title. So we already have a root layout.tsx, right? Guess what? Next.js comes with some pre-written metadata. If we change the title to something else, well, the title on the tab would change too. Currently, we do not have any specific layout for the auth section, so we can head over to our signin/page.tsx, and inside it, we can write export constant metadata. We'll define the type as metadata imported from Next, and inside it, we're going to write title as sign-in and description as sign in to your account. Let's visit the site again. And look, we have sign in as the title. We can also make a template. Well, let's head over to our main layout.tsx. So instead of returning the title as a normal string, we can return an object. Inside the object, we're going to have the first field as the default. Now next up, we have the template. Inside it, we can write %s, a pipe, and then create next app. The description remains the same. Let's go to the page again. Now every page we visit will have the create next app followed by the specific title. Okay, but how do we change the icon? You can see that we have a fabicon.ico file or ico. This is the file that is generating the icon for the whole app. If we have to change it, all we have to do is get another fabicon and replace it with the existing one. And look, if we refresh the page, we have the new icon. We can also do crazy stuff with this, like adding open graph images or setting Twitter specific images, specifying author, and much more. Until now, we only have created static metadata. Means this metadata will only be shown for static pages. If we have to show a metadata for a dynamic route, we'll be using an inbuilt function of Next.js generate metadata. But to make it work, we need a dynamic page. So I made this route /posts/p/id where you can see the individual posts. So at the top, we have our props to get the post ID from the params. Now here, we can call export async function generate metadata. This will take the params or the page props as the parameter, and then it will return a promise of metadata. Now inside the function, first of all, we're going to destructure the ID from the params. Next up, we're going to find the post using where and with. Now if there is no post, we're going to return title and description as not found. And lastly, if there is post, we're going to return the title as post content.slice 0,20 and by post.author.username. And lastly, we're going to assign the post.content to description. And that's it. Let's go to /posts page and click on a post. Now we can individually see different posts. Now on the tab title, we have the post content by author name. And that's it for today's video. We covered the basics of static and dynamic metadata in Next.js and how you can use them to enhance SEO and performance in your app. In the next episode, we'll dive into handling form data and file uploads using upload thing to manage file storage in your Next.js app. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming content. Drop any questions if you have in the comments below. But before I finish up, I want to let you in on something exciting. If you're enjoying the content and want to support me, you can join my Patreon at patreon.com/itsdrvgo. As a subscriber, you'll get early access to all my videos a day or two before they go public on YouTube. Plus, you'll be able to see exclusive behind the scenes, get sneak peeks of upcoming projects, and much more. It's a great way to stay ahead of the curve and get involved in shaping future content. Also, if you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, don't hesitate to join our Discord server. I'm active there, and it's the best place to connect with me and the community. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.